Hello everyone, and welcome to an update video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. And as we can see today, the news has fueled up the range as we spoke before, and it has made some major movements here to make a little bit the things goes faster, right? Because it has been ranging so far. However, what's happening here, of course, today we spoke about several scenarios, and one of them is to have like a finished 1, 2 here, and a potential 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, right? However, this is a potential and a possibility, of course, and as I said, it's still a little bit tricky and not very, how to say, robust possibility. Why? Because we have several issues first. Starting from this impulse here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a problem first with a fib level here. It's a small micro level, but in the wave 5 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 4 did not touch even the fib level for 0.23, which is not good at all, right? I mean, this is not a possibility. Do not touch it, and therefore it makes kind of this leg here as one single leg, and it make it as 3 waves, right? Rather than 5 waves, it makes it 3 waves, which is an ABC, and which give a more or less possibility that this is a 1 here. However, it still can be, right? It's a very low possibility because we did not touch this fib level, finishing a very healthy wave of 5. The second reason also is that we only touch the 0.38 fib level for a wave 2. Okay, so if we have a 1, a 2 here, our 2 has just touched the 0.38, which is a very low possibility again for a very healthy impulse. As a wave 2, always our famous green box here between the 0.618 and the 0.78 is preferably for a wave 2, right? Otherwise, this could be a wave B, or I mean, it could be a more possibilities are to be a wave B or wave W. Okay, so in that case, why I'm saying this now, because what I'm seeing here is a little bit tricky, okay? And it looks like we're having a longer range. We are going to have still a longer range as a possibility, of course. Now, of course, the 1, 2, 1, 2 here, it could be. However, we need to break, of course, this level. Now, your confirmation, again, in the link below, in the description, your confirmation for this setup, okay, is over the 63,000, okay? So your setup should be here. Once you break the 63,000, I mean, at least the level 1, you need a little bit distance, of course, to make sure that we are rallying towards the upside. Now, of course, no financial trade here, no financial advice, but the best way to a little bit confirm much better this is, of course, over this price level, okay, at 62,800. So let's say 63,000 would be perfect confirmation to go over it. Now, would that be an impulse? Of course, not 100% even. So even if we proceed over this level, we are still having a potential A here, and then B and a C. Okay, so do not forget this. And of course, your targets have been given today in the video. So, however, I'm gonna put it again. This is for a zigzag. Your 1-to-1 fib level is at 69,500 in case we have broken this level. Okay, so this is your trade actually. All right, this is exactly your trade. This is what you want to trade, right? And yeah, so this could be a possibility, as we said. Now, of course, for an impulse, then we're talking here about an impulse which is at 77,600. Okay, so if that happened, that we have a 1, a 2, then we are rallying directly to 77,000, of course, after we break. So your trade is, of course, bigger, and that's what is beautiful in an impulse, right? However, before, this is the possibility of a bullish scenario, right? And what I want to talk about here, why I'm not very sure about it, because again, we have a problem with the fib level of wave 5 and also not touching even lower than 0.38 fib level. So preferably for a wave 2 is there. Now what I'm seeing is actually, okay, let's say we are still here a 1 and we want at least a better wave 2. I mean a healthier wave 2. Since we don't really have a healthy wave 1, I want to make sure at least to have a healthy wave 2. So if we are looking for a wave 2, then I have to consider these 3 waves here, right? And 1, 2, 3, okay, as wave A, okay, and 3 waves towards the upside as wave B, okay, and then still looking towards the downside for a wave C, touching at least the 0.5 for 55,800. Now this is in case only if this is a regular flat, of course, A, B, C. If not, we are looking to a WXY. WXY is again the same, almost. It's a zigzag here, and you have also a complex wave X, right, towards the upside, maybe overshooting even a little bit, all right, and then moving down for a wave Y, which is between the 0.78 and the 1.38. And the good thing is that it is in confluence with the wave 2 target at 0.618. Which is at 54,150. Therefore, what I'm saying here, do not get into the trap, okay? I mean, it might be a trap, a bullish trap, and you know that the things might turn on, all right? There is a very big possibility that we are still ranging and we are still in a correction. However, your confirmation for a bullish scenario, so I don't leave you there, okay, without any possibility that this is a bullish scenario. Your confirmation would be over 63,000 again. And this is the best way to trade always, right? That's why it's my best strategy to trade. You can find the link below when I say your entry point is there, okay? So therefore, yeah, we might start to see some rejection, okay? We might, maybe even it goes higher or overshoot and getting an expanding flat, all right? So this is another option, an expanding flat, a overshooting B over than the start, and then getting a deeper wave C, which actually is going to target exactly the wave 2 fib levels. Therefore, be careful, guys, all right? Be careful. It just be trade safe, and this is what I'm aiming for. Let's say we have an expanding flat with a wave B towards the upside, and let's say expanding flat wave C. Here we go. This is your wave C, which is between the 0.68 and 0.78, perfect for a wave 2. More to say about the indicator, a new bearish indication has appeared on the 4-hour chart. On my indicator here, we can see that on a green candle, we can see now sellers coming in. That doesn't mean that it might go down like crazy and turn over the table. Maybe it goes up even more, but the more it goes up, the more we're gonna see sellers, okay? The more pressure of selling is gonna have, okay? So of course the daily is still very up, guys. The signal is very up. However, the more up it's gonna have in the daily, then we're gonna see maybe sooner or later a bearish signal there, maybe, okay, for a wave C. However, on the 4-hour chart, it has started to be clear, okay? So these are the things on the 1-hour chart as well. here we go. We see selling pressure over this candle. Therefore, I suggest to be careful. Okay. Again, that doesn't mean that it could keep up. As you can see, sometimes the calculation of the indicator still make a balance between sellers and buyers. Okay, so sometimes this arrow goes out and in, so it's about calculation. However, as you can see, where can I show you an example? Here we go here. So as you can see here, the sellers were in. Okay, we got some buyers, and then the sellers start here, and you see we still getting up and up and up. Okay, until we get those sellers. All right, more selling pressure, and then it went down. Therefore, it could happen the same, right? But yeah, now it's happening twice after each other. That means okay, that is very bigger potential to go down. Okay, so this is what the indicator says. Of course, all these are still possibilities, guys. I don't want to of course, these are no financial advices here, but yeah, this is what it shows. So that was it for the update. I hope that you like it. Please press the like button if you did, and subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.